go.
Alright, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to show you how to do a front flip on a trampoline and land it. So this is going to be a really simple, quick tutorial to land a front flip and to do a front flip on a trampoline. So let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is, if you're too scared to do a front flip, what you're going to do is you're going to do a somersault. Now, by the way, we already made this video once or a couple times, but this is with the new camera, so I wanted to see how it sounded with the new mic and the new camera. So let's jump into it. So the first thing is, if you're scared to do a front flip, do a somersault and just do a mini and progressively get higher and higher. So like this, start off like this, boom. If that's start off really low and then work yourself up to landing a front flip on your butt, just like this. So once you can land a front flip on your butt, you have the front flip pretty much down. All you need to be able to do is land it on a trampoline. Land the front flip on a trampoline. So how you're gonna land it is, the best technique I can show you is where you go straight up and then you flip. You don't want to just go like this. A lot of people I see just do a front flip and go and get no height and just go straight down into the ground. You want to shoot up. So what you want to do is, you can even start standing if you have a decent trampoline. Otherwise, jump a little bit, and then what you're going to do is throw your arms up at the same time and then tuck in and then do a front flip. So you want to, what helped me is just look at something straight on. So look at the wall in front of you or whatever, something in front of you, and look, and then do the front flip. So you don't want to just do the front flip really low. You want to get some height for it first. That is how to land a front flip on a trampoline. That's the secret to landing it. So I'll show you one more. So bounce pretty high, shoot up, tuck your knees into your chest, and just flip. Just like that. So that is how to do a front flip on a trampoline and land it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and just want to share something really quick with you. So one verse I've been thinking about, or one saying I've been thinking about is this. Whoever abides in me bears much fruit. Whoever does not abide in me can do nothing without me. So, abiding in Him, that's how you're going to bear the most fruit. Abiding in Jesus, and otherwise you're going to do nothing in your life. You need Jesus in your life to help you with everything. To be truly happy in life, to be truly joyful, to bear fruit, to have a life that's worth living for. So yeah, that's pretty much what I was thinking about. So if you want to hear more about that, just click the link in the description. Also, we're going to have some t-shirts available pretty soon in the next couple weeks. So if you want to order them, just comment below, and then we'll try to make some videos with the shirts on, and you can go to our website, howtosbybros.com, once it's up, and get the t-shirt. So thank you so much for watching. That was how to do a front flip on a trampoline and land it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and God bless.